Hello everyone, welcome to the Global Dream. MySQL Server is very important if you want to work with um, backend web development or if you want to become a Django developer. Whatever you want to be or whatever you want to do, you need MySQL Server on your computer. Today, I'm going to show you how you can very easily can download and install MySQL on your Windows operating system. Okay, to do it, what I have to do, I have to just open a new tab and I just write MySQL community download. Okay, and if you little scroll down and you can find it here, but community edition will be right here. You can find it here and you can find it here too. Okay, so I just come here, then click on community edition. Okay, just click on download MySQL community edition. All right, click here, and here is MySQL community server, or directly you can just take this link and you can come here. Okay, just click here, and now if you are using MacBook, then it will automatically show select operating system, will select your operating system. If it is Mac, it will select Mac. Okay, Mac operating system. If you are using Windows, then it will automatically show Windows. Okay, then just click here. Okay, and you can download either this one or this one. The first one takes little space and the second one takes little more spaces. Okay, and when you click, I am installing this one, I'm downloading this one. Okay, now it's asking whether you want to log in or you want to sign up. I just say no thanks, just start my download, and my downloading is happening and it has been completed. I just want to choose one, just click here, show in folder. Okay, and it is here, and I just right button click and then install. It's a very simple. Okay, now please wait while Windows configures MySQL installer community. It might take 10 to 15 seconds, sometimes it takes 20 to 30 seconds. Whatever, let's wait and see how long does it take to install on our computer. All right. Again, it's depend on the speed of the computer also. All right. I'm working with a Django project. and that's why I need MySQL server on my computer. I have a MacBook right here, okay, right here, and that's fine. MySQL installer web community. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will say yes. And it's installing. Okay, and yes. And it has been installed, still being installed. And finally, you can see lot of options. Do you want to install server only? That's fine. But if you want to install whole developer tools, you can choose this one. A lot of things, but it will take definitely more space. And actually, sometimes we have already all these things on our computer and it will duplicate, and some of them will fail even while installation or while we are installing. So I want server only. Okay, go to next and executes. Okay, and it's downloading and status is installing initially. Okay, progress is very quick. We can see here 70%, 74, 77, and 81, 90 almost, 99, and done. Okay, and just go and click next. All right, ready to configure. Okay, it's now ready to configure, and I will show you how to configure it too.